Okutandika n'olwokubanza omugyera gwa Kafu gukaboga gwacwekaniisa orutindo rya hagati ya Hoima hamwe na Kyankwanzi ekyazingamiza ebyengyenda aha ruguuto rwa Hoima Kyankwanzi kuza Kampala. Okuruga obwo abantu batwire nibakoresa emihanda endiijo nka Hoima Masindu kuza Kampala ninga Hoima Kisiita Ntwetwe Kyankwanzi. Eki kyagemesereza orukukura ekitongole ky'ebyenguuto arena kagena okurambura omwanya ogusiisirwe amaizi omu rubaju rwa Kyankwanzi.
As it comes, it brings floating vegetation. That vegetation blocks the culverts, the water goes on top, and in some places has weakened the pavement. So our hydrologists and our engineers who are here have assessed when to intervene and what kind of intervention.
Currently, I can't tell you what exactly will be done. It will depend on the studies that we are going to do, the hydrological studies, and then the designs that we shall come up with. That will be the permanent solution.
Kagena yagira ngo uruguto rwa Hoima kuza Kampala bari mu ntebekanisa zo kurugarukamo kandi bakahereza babo bakendagano yo kurukora.
But as you have heard, when the water is this much, there's very little you can do. You have to wait for it to go down. And when it goes down, then you assess what has remained, whether it is strong enough. If it is not strong enough, you strengthen.
Yashobora ngo amisi kugarakendera nibije kutandika gukora omwanya ogusiisikire obwo bari kugarukamo n'oruguuto rwona.
When it has reduced, then we'll go on and see what is the condition of those box culverts and the condition of the pavement, and then we shall repair. We shall do two sorts of repairs. The first one is the temporary one, so that traffic can flow again.
Dan, thank you so much for hearing our cry that you've come. Era ndowooza nti buli kimu kijja kutambula bulungi.
Priska Kabare ori omwezi wa RDC wa Kyankwanzi yashaba abantu obutakoresa obuhanda bakaraba omumaizi gatakomere.
Bridge yafuna obuzibu era tubasaba muleme kuwaza. Olaba security wano eriwo kululwo okuuma obulamu bwo n'ebintu byo. So towaza kuyitawo.
Bamwe mu batuura abamaizi gasiisire ebintu bashaba gavumenti obuhwezi.
Era mbadde nina bizinesi y'amanda gonna Kafu yagatwala. Sina kyakulya nimiro zonna zigenze bweza abaana zonna zagenda tebalina na kyakwambala. Bizinesi yange yonna yasaanawo era nsaba gavumenti esobole okunzirukirira ennyambe. Ennyumba yange ekudde nina abaana yonna ebintu byange byonna byagenda mu mazzi. Enkoko mukolasi byonna buli kimu kyagenda mu mazzi. Sirina emmere kati tuli bwe tuti n'abaana nsabako ki muyambi.
Omugyera gwa Kafu gwasya omulundi gwa kabiri n'oguboga omwaka ogu gasha kwamburoza n'wagaba Katooto.